Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jeena, your Hindi teacher.
And let me start our new lesson, Lesson 8 Bhagat Singh. Who is Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh was a young Indian revolutionary who is known as Shahid Bhagat Singh. He is considered to be one of the most influential revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. Sardar Bhagat Singh is the most prominent name in the Amar Shahidas. His slogan of Ingulab Sindabad made a great impact on the youth during the freedom movement. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 in a linguist Sikh family of Banga village now in Pakistan in district of Lilpur, Punjab. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh and mother's name was Vidyavati Kaur. His grandfather Arjan Singh, father Kishan Singh and uncle Ajit Singh were all active in the freedom struggle. While studying at the local DAV school in Lahore in 1916, young Bhagat Singh came into contact with some well-known political leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai and Ras Bihari Bose. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar on April 13, 1990 had a profound effect on Bhagat Singh's thinking that after leaving the studies of the National College of Lahore, Bhagat Singh established the Naujawan Bharat Sabha for India's independence. Bhagat Singh exploded bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly, Delhi in 1929. He was hanged with two comrades on 23rd March 1931. He was just 23 years old when he was hanged to death. Children, take your textbook, page number 36. शाम होने वाली थी, लेकिन वीरा उस स्कूल से अब तक नहीं लौटा था, इसलिए घर के सभी लोग घबरा उठे। इसकी सबसे बड़ी वजह थी जालियांवाला बाग की घटना, जिसकी शौशत अभी भी बरकरार थी। काफ़ी रात बीतने पर वीरा बड़ा उदास सा घर लौटा। What is the meaning? It was about to get dusk, but Veera had not yet returned from school, so all the people in the house got nervous. The biggest reason for this was the incident of Jallianwala Bagh, the horror of which was still intact. Late at night, Veera returned home very sad. उसकी बड़ी बहन बोली, कहाँ गया था वीरा? सब जगह तुझे टूटा, चल गाना गा ले। वह फफक कर रो उड़ा। उसने अपनी जेब से एक शीशी निकाली जिसमें मिट्टी भरी हुई थी। उसने कहा, यह मिट्टी नहीं, अमर शहीदों का खून है। उसके बाद वह रोज़ उस शीशी में भरी हुई मिट्टी से तिलक लगाता, फिर स्कूल जाता। It means when he came home, his elder sister asked, "Where did you go, Veera? We looked for you everywhere. Come on and take your food." He burst into tears. He took out a glass bottle from his pocket, which was filled with mud. He said, "It is not just soil, but the blood of the immortal martyrs." After that, he would apply tilak every day using the soil filled in the bottle. Only he goes to school. जानते हो यह वीरा कौन था? यह वीरा कोई और नहीं, महान क्रांतिकारी भगत सिंह थे। भारतीय स्वतंत्रता के लिए जिन संपूतों ने अपने प्राणों का बलिदान किया उनमें सरदार भगत सिंह का नाम स्वर्णाक्षरों में अंकित है। सरदार भगत सिंह का जन्म लालपुर में 27 दिसंबर 1907 ईस्वी को हुआ था। लालपुर अब पाकिस्तान में है। भगत सिंह की माता का नाम विद्यावती और पिता का नाम किशन सिंह था। उनकी बड़ी बहन का नाम अमरो था। जिस समय भगत सिंह का जन्म हुआ था उस समय पूरे देश में अंग्रेजी शासन के खिलाफ विद्रोह की ज्वाला धधक रही थी। जन्म के समय भगत सिंह के पिता लाहौर के सेंट्रल जेल में बंद थे। इट मीन्स, डू यू नो हु इज दिस वीरा वॉज? This Veera was none other than Bhagat Singh, the great revolutionary, and the sons who sacrificed their lives for Indian independence. Sardar Bhagat Singh's name is mentioned in the golden letters. Sardar Bhagat Singh was born on 27th December 1907 in Lalpur. Lalpur is now in Pakistan. Bhagat Singh's mother's name was Vidyavati and father's name was Kishan Singh. His elder sister's name was Amro. At the time when Bhagat Singh was born, there was a flame of revolt against the British rule throughout the country. At the time of birth, Bhagat Singh's father was lodged in the central jail of Lahore. माँ विद्यावती ने उनका लालन पालन बड़े प्यार दुलार से किया। राशियादा से ओत प्रोत परिवार के वातावरण ने बालक भगत सिंह पर अमिट छाप डाली और उनमें क्रांतिकारी भावनाओं का प्रादुर्भाव हुआ। It means माँ विद्यावती brought them up with great love and care. The atmosphere of the family, fueled by nationalism, made an indelible impression on the boy Bhagat Singh, and he grew up with revolutionary feelings. एक बार की बात है, भगत सिंह अपने पिता के साथ कहीं जा रहे थे। रास्ते में उनके पिता के एक घनिष्ठ मित्र मिल गए जो खेत में बुआई का काम कर रहे थे। उनके पिता मित्र से वार्तालाप में लग गए तो भगत सिंह खेत में छोटे छोटे तिनके रोपने लगे। बालक के इस कार्य को देखकर पिता ने पूछा, यह क्या कर रहे हो भगत? बालक ने उत्तर दिया, बंदूकें बो रहा हूँ। It means once Bhagat Singh and his father was going somewhere. On the way, his father met a close friend who was sowing in the fields. While his father got into conversation with his friend, Bhagat Singh started planting small straws in the field. Seeing this work of the child, the father asked, "What are you doing, Bhagat?" The child replied, "I am sowing guns." भगत सिंह जैसे जैसे बड़े होते गए, उनकी असाधारण प्रतिभा उजागर होने लगी। उनकी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा गांव की पाठशाला में हुई। फिर वे आगे की शिक्षा के लिए नेशनल कॉलेज लाहौर गए। वहीं उनकी मुलाकात सुखदेव व यशपाल से हुई। बाद में तीनों मित्र बन गए और क्रांतिकारी गतिविधियों में भाग लेने लगे। एक अखंड राष्ट्र के निर्माण के लिए तथा देश के नौजवानों में देशभक्ति की भावना जागृत करने के लिए 1926 ईस्वी में उन्होंने लाहौर में नौजवान सभा का गठन किया. It means as Bhagat Singh grew older, his extraordinary talent began to be revealed. He got his early education in the village school. Then he went to the National College Lahore for further education. There he met Sukhdev and Yashpal. Later the three became friends and started participating in revolutionary activities. In 1926, he formed the Naujawan Sabha in Lahore to awaken the spirit of patriotism among the youth of the country.
Let me conclude today's session. I have attached notes and test paper. So all of you attend test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Bye.